girlfriend, same there. Same.
One last question.
Yeah.
Have you been approached by the government of India for any kind of consulting?
Now, principally, I don't work with the government.
Hello, sir. Sir, I am Shantanu.
Yeah, please.
I am motivated to ask you some question, very basic question. As you mentioned, building relationship. What are the impediments and problem you have been facing as an entrepreneur? Something like fear of losing funds, all those things. So what are those basic problems and how have you been overcoming those?
ये तो बहुत ही पर्सनल हो गया. मैं हमेशा एक बताता हूँ, whenever I go to any platform, any entrepreneur of this world will tell you 98% what he does. He will not that 2% which earn in 98%. So which I am not going to tell you, that is one. so now let me tell you, patience plays very important role. You sometimes you get carried away because one of your friend or a relative gets good money and you don't get. So that jealousy always is a big problem in this country. And in our country, the biggest problem, let me tell you, friend, is we are being always judged by how much money you have earned and not how you are working. So you have to face this. वेड्यात काढण्यात आला होता मला, वेड्यात. बिकॉज पीपल यूज टू आस्क मी, पोस्ट कार्ड लिहून काय बिझनेस होतो का कधी? होऊ शकत नाही. बरोबर आहे, दे आर करेक्ट. सो फ्रेंड, देर आर लॉट ऑफ इश्यूज, बट बी पॅशनेट and you are through. This is I always say, I am in this passion for last 19 years, not in business. I am in this passion for last 19 years.
Pradeep sir, namaskar.
Namaskar.
I am from B district, so I want to ask you two questions. Do you have any experience working in the Marathwada? And second is, do you have experience of earning money through CSR in rural areas?
Again, I don't work with CSR principally. Again, but let me tell you, Marathwada is a big problem because of water. Huge problem. Let me tell you, friend, राग येईल सगळ्यांना. आपण जेवढं दाढीला दर दिवशी पाणी वापरतो, तेवढं मराठवाड्यातल्या माणसाला दिवसभरात मिळते. Shame on all of us. Shame on all of us. It's a huge problem in Marathwada. But there is an opportunity. Do you know there is one organization called Sakhi Retail in Marathwada doing fantastic. Go and visit them. What they do? We don't know because we don't bother. They are organized retail distributor of Marathwada and they have now around 18-19 different products which they sell through the female of that area and doing fantastic. So how best I can take the essence of that and do some business in Marathwada? You know, there is one tractor, name I don't know, which is from Japan. Very small tractor, sold more in Marathwada than any part of Maharashtra. What? And the third thing, in Usmanabad, I have been to Bhoom, Paranda and all these places, they are now thinking of doing a contract farming. It's a change. It's a huge change in this country. So, and there are few people in Marathwada are producing strawberries. Mahabaleshwar madhe nahi, Marathwada, and earning good money. So, look at the appropriate role model. जर तुम्ही ते नुसतं स्कॉर्पिओच रोल मॉडेल असेल तुमचा, तर कांट डू एनिथिंग. प्रॉब्लेम आहे मग सगळा. कारण माझा बॉस जर पजेरो वापरतो तर मी स्कॉर्पिओ घेऊन खुश. ही प्रॉब्लेम.
Hi Pradeep.
Hi.
Yeah. I have a very specific question.
Please.
I'm trying to understand the villages in Maharashtra.
Yeah.
And obviously, like you said, it's not possible to visit each one of them.
True.
Now the thing is that the data that is available through secondary sources or through other people, they know specific things, but what I want to understand, people don't know. So could you, throw some light on how, what would be the best way of sampling or maybe understanding the dynamics of the village, because each one seems to be very different according to me.
No, let me tell you, first let me tell you what product you have or what you have.
Yeah, so I'm from an organization called DripTech. We manufacture drip irrigation systems, and now we want to reach out to the small and marginal farmers. And
but let me tell you, don't take otherwise, but it is more a government work because they get a subsidy on it
No, this is not subsidized.
It is subsidized.
No, not all drip is subsidized.
But if there are few, because what Jain does, they do a 3,000 crore rupees business and 70% is government business.
Yes, exactly. But the small farmers, they don't get the subsidies, and that's why.
So,
Yeah.
problem to you, because whenever you reach to a farmer, he'll say, "Ejat subsidy kai?" In solar, in this country, that's the biggest problem. Because whenever you reach to any farmer, he'll say, "What is your subsidy?"
That's when marketing kicks in.
So, you have to identify an absolute fantastic progressive farmer, create role models in each taluka wherever you want to go, and then take the other farmers to his house, his farm, because that will be the model farm, and then only you can sell your product. Otherwise, it will be a difficult
Yeah,
task.
but my question is a little different. My
Yeah.
question is, how do I understand the villages? Like you said, this targeting that we do, we don't reach out to all the districts like you had mentioned before. So I want to target a particular areas and particular villages, and that's why I want to understand the trends.
All the data is available with the collector, or they have fantastic data. Let me tell you, even they will tell you how many goats are in the village. No, I am not joking. Don't underestimate government. Fantastic data they have. We should capitalize on that. They have a fantastic data. That is one. Second is, now if you take a Satara, it's a prosperous district. If you take Usmanabad, comparatively drought prone. Accordingly, you have to go first. Second is, even in Satara, if you go to Fulton, there is one taluka called Fulton. It is more than 70% irrigated. But if you go to the next taluka of Fulton called Mankhata, is not even 20% irrigated. Accordingly, you have to understand and go to the market.
Thank you.
Pradeep, my name is Nandan Vaidya.
Okay.
Yeah, my question is twofold. One is more on urbanization and rural, because what is rural becoming tough question.
Where urban ends, rural starts. But the definition of rural is more than 50% income from agriculture is rural, and it is RBI definition.
Okay. My question is, because we keep reading that there is too much of urbanization and probably
True.
almost 50%, 52% of India will be urbanized in another.
By 2050.
So, in that context, is there a change in terms of people's part? I mean, because we say in old concepts there were politicians, so one family will rule entire village or entire districts, and so are people changing? Are people changing?
It has changed a lot. All thanks to Panchayat Raj. Now you go to, have you ever been to a village and seen a Gram Panchayat Karyalaya? किती जणांनी बघितले? 20 years back, it was a bloody adda. कळकट्ट मळकट्ट घाणेरडं ठिकाण. Today you go to any Gram Panchayat of this country, because of minimum 3 to 13 women council member, it is really a fantastic place. That is one. Because of Panchayat Raj, decentralization of power, now they don't need to go to taluka place or a district place for decision making. They take their call there and there only. And as I told you, the education is in today's world, today in this country, primary education is in 1.5 kilometer radius. Secondary is in 3 kilometer radius. आपल्याला निगेटिव्हिटी इतकी गच्च भरली या देशात. Please come out of it. We are the largest elementary education system in the world. 15 crore students who study primary in this country. 10 crore students get midday meal. आणि बातम्या काय? एका गावात एका शाळेतल्या मुलांना जेवणामध्ये आळी आली. आणि माझ्या बायकोने आता 200 वेळा आतापर्यंत खायला घातल्याचं मला काय सांगतो आपण? काय आवाज आहे का? करतो का आवाज कधी? आणि एका आळीचं दिवसभर टीव्ही वरती दाखवतील. तो सो वी हॅव टू थिंक पॉझिटिव्हली. इट इज चेंजिंग फ्रेंड. 20 years back, if you want to go to a secondary school, you have to walk 8 kilometers. Today it is 3 kilometers. Girls are studying in a big way. And you know who is responsible? It is not a girl or a girl parents. It is a principal who is responsible if she leaves the school. Isn't it a fantastic change in this country? It is. Go to any part of this country. आणि एक दगड फोडणारी बाई सगळ्यांनी बघितली तुम्ही? All must have seen that woman. जो पत्थर फोडती है. Go and ask her. तुला आयुष्यात काय करायचे? Out of 100 and 100 will tell you, I want to teach my daughter and son. Isn't it a fantastic change in this country? It is great. It is great. आपल्याला काय पाहिजे माहिती का? एका रात्री 2 minutes नूडल. आत्ताच्या आत्ता पोरीला SMS केला, येते का सांग मला. हे जे चाललंय ना, त्या मोबाईलने जरा विल्हे वाट लावली आपल्या, त्या इन्स्टंटली विल्हे वाट लावली आपली. इट इज नॉट खांदे उडवायचे आणि शहाणपणा करायचा, रस्त्याला खड्डा पडणार, काय करतो शहाणे, काय कसला शहाणपणा करतो.